I never felt the need to buy a lathe. Then I started watching the ClickSpring channel. I bought a lathe. Now I want to build a stand for it. Enjoy. A box with 4 drawers. The lathe is really an amazing machine. I never used one before, and I'm really excited to learn using it. I hope you'll enjoy the process as much as I do in the next videos. Have a great one.